Hello, welcome back to my channel That Muffin Art. Today we are making something super fun and personalized DIY keychains. Whether you are making it for yourself or as a gift, these cute and creative keychains are perfect for any occasion. Let's get started. For this project, you will need just a few simple materials that you can find around your home or at any craft store. Here is what you will need: a keychain ring or a clasp, small plastic bottle or any other decorative charm, string, yarn or ribbon, super glue or a strong adhesive decorative item like beads, stickers or photos. First of all, start by decorating your charm. If you are using a simple plastic bottle, like a mini soda bottle, you can fill it with glitter, beads, or any tiny note. You can also use sticker or marker to personalize it. Once your charm is ready, take your string or ribbon and attach it to the keychain ring. You can make a braid or simply tie knot. Depending on the style you like, make sure it's secure. Now attach your charm to the string or directly to the keychain ring. You can use super glue to make sure it holds well.